So I am on what will most likely be the very last ride this year. It's beyond cold. It's been snowing. It's actually snowed 3 times today, although for very short time, and it's still not in the ground is still not cold enough for the snow to stay frozen. But this will be very close to the end of the snow-free roads. So I'd consider this the last ride. Thought I'd do a goodbye for now video. I'll try to do better next year. I'm not exactly happy about my video quality, but it's sort of a trial season. For my first year actually riding motorcycles, other than for training purposes, and it's my first time filming riding, and I've only been doing that for a couple of months really. So yeah, next year my plans for next year, if I keep the same helmet, the view angle will be the same. I'm thinking about getting a new helmet, because the helmet I have now, it doesn't exactly do what I want it to do. The visor has an issue when I change from clear to dark, and this visor doesn't close. I mean, it's still open right now. I can see the opening on the bottom. I really have to pull it down to get it all the way down. So I think the helmet is a little bit poor quality, and considering everything else I have now is pretty good quality, I don't want to have a bad helmet. So hopefully if I buy a new helmet, it will be with a front mounted camera, so it will be a better angle. There's too much stuff in front here, so I can't attach the GoPro. And yeah, so that won't be, I hope I won't have the same helmet next year, but I'll have to see. Also next year will be a lot of test riding, because I'm buying a brand new bike, and I'm going to try as many bikes as I can, as early as I can. So maybe I don't buy a bike and then discover it's the worst choice. So I'll be trying the MT-09, MT-07, maybe even the Tracers, the 700 and the 900. I will be trying the Z900, the Versus 650. I don't think there's a lot of other. Maybe the CBR 650. Unlikely, very unlikely, but maybe. I don't actually like the 600 classes as much, because of the lack of power, and you have to rev them so high to get to the power itself. So most likely I will be sticking to 700s and higher. So the MT-07 is basically the smallest engine I'll be considering. Other than that, I expect next year to be a lot of videos on my new bike when I get it, and yeah, that's mostly what it's going to be. I don't think I'll be doing a lot of current topics. I don't think I'll be doing like MotoGP updates and stuff like that. I do watch MotoGP, even the Moto2 and Moto3 I watch, but I don't think I'll be doing anything with that. I don't know what else. Of course, I may do some updates throughout the winter just for fun. I do have a car that I'm selling. I may do a update with a dash cam instead of a helmet cam. Yeah, not a lot of other stuff planned. I don't think I haven't planned anything. I'm just basically I'm making all these videos because the winter can be very long here, and I want videos that I made myself, sort of a diary for myself, to sort of remember what happened and the way it happened and where I went and how I felt about that area. So yeah, mostly it will be whatever it is. I'll try to edit as little as possible. I have basically done that this year. I tried a little bit of both. Some almost unedited and some more heavily edited, and I don't know, I have a tendency to ramble, so basically I have to remove some of the rambling or the video will be like 1 hour long. And I'm trying to limit the video to, well, I won't say I try to limit it to any specific amount, but I mean more than an hour is sort of long. So yeah, that's sort of it. I think I'll just let you enjoy the rest of the ride in silence, and I'll talk to you when I talk to you.